Hi friends, today's topic is why the rich don't pay taxes and what is the secret behind the corporations. In reality, the rich are not taxed. It's the middle class, especially the educated upper income middle class who pays tax and pays for the poor. The middle class people ultimately penalize themselves due to their lack of financial education. The problem is that the people who is loose are the uninformed, the ones who get up every day, diligently go to work and pay taxes. The harder they work, the more they pay the government as tax. Some people work 4 to 5 months in a year for government just to cover their taxes. Number of people who pay more taxes or take fewer deductions simply because they are afraid of the government. Before paying taxes, ask yourself, who are you working for? Who are you making rich? If they only understood the way the rich play the game, they could play it too. Then they would be on their way to their own financial independence. An employee with a safe, secure job without financial aptitude has no escape. Every time people try to punish the rich don't simply comply, they react. They have the money, power, and intent to change things. They don't just sit there and voluntarily pay more taxes. Instead, they search for ways to minimize their tax burden. They hire smart attorneys and accountants and persuade politicians to change laws or to create legal loopholes because the rich always found a way to outsmart them by using their financial knowledge. They headed back to the protection of a corporation. A corporation is merely a file folder with some legal documents in it sitting in some attorney's office and registered with a state government agency. It's not a big building or a factory or a group of people. A corporation is merely a legal document that creates a legal body without a soul. It was popular because the income tax rate of a corporation is less than the individual income tax rates. Using it, the wealth of the rich was once again protected. Real estate is also one investment that has a great tax advantage. People who don't take advantage of these legal tax savings are missing a great opportunity to build their asset column. Employees earn and get tax and they try to live on what is left. But a corporation earns, spend everything it can and is taxed on anything that is left. It's one of the biggest legal tax loopholes that the rich use. They use their resources to affect change. For example, by owning your own corporation, your vacations can be board meetings, car payments, insurance, repairs, and health club memberships or company expenses. Most restaurant meals are partial expenses and on and on. The rich hide much of their wealth using corporations and trusts to protect their assets from creditor. That is the reason the rich are not taxed. Corporations are the biggest secret of the rich who don't pay taxes. Thank you.